L-Tron has a team of engineers who are knowledgeable and can work alongside the customer to solve complex problems.
I worked for a company, we did consumer electronics, we did calculators. And so, like on that end of the spectrum, I worked in developing incredibly low-cost hardware. I've worked on this broad spectrum of stuff, and mechanical, and electrical, and thermal, and...
So your breadth of knowledge is huge.
The breadth of experience is huge.
We're a small team, but we have a lot of different engineering disciplines covered by the small team that we are.
L-Tron's engineers are happy to engage and happy to interact. They don't come in and tell you what you've done wrong. So they're really quite easy to work with.
So everybody on our team wants our customers to be successful. If they're successful, we're going to be successful. Because of our experience and industry relationships, we can recommend a solution that best fits our customers' needs. Many times, recommend multiple solutions.
L-Tron engineers are different from most support lines because they will follow the problem through to its solution, even if it involves getting answers from someone outside of our company. They're persistent enough, they're connected enough to know who to connect with to get answers.
The customer came to us with a supply chain problem for barcode scanning. So L-Tron created a custom product to replace their existing product.
Once we determine what's going on, we can fix it.
We pursue excellence, to the point that we can hit it within budget.
So I think that's been part of it, is that somebody says, can we do this? The answer is yes. We'll figure some way to do it.